Hi, I'm Sherelle. I am 36 years old. I am originally from Bastrop, Louisiana, and I am now living here in Monroe with my two girls, Bellamy and Keely. Me and my daughters moved into our home in October of 2025. Prior to that, we was living at the Louisiana Baptist Children's Home for 2 years. We had a roof over our head, but it wasn't our own home. And the Lord blessed us to have the home that we have. Initially, I did not know about the Tarver Braddock Foundation. Um, how we met was really through, I believe, Dr. Mary Rochelle was the one who, I guess, said my name to the foundation. I really think it's just a God thing. But Dr. Mary Rochelle has been in my corner for a while with me being a single mom. She has been there to support me and the girls with just various gifts and blessings. And the Tarver Braddock Foundation, helping me just get grounded in being a mom that has to pay rent. I went 2 years without paying it, but now I have to pay the rent, the utilities, all of the things. And the biggest impact is that I feel like the Lord is saying, Sherelle, you used to be stressed. I don't want you to return back to that stress. And so, let me bless you with 6 months of not worrying about that, but to continue to build up what I'm trying to have with me and my girls.
So, how did you find out that you were going to receive that help?
Um, I was at work. Um, I had a route slip with the patient's name on it. I called the patient's name, and it was Tarver's mom. She said, "Oh, no, I'm not here for that. I'm here for you." And that's how it happened. It was a huge surprise, funny and sweet and just beautiful, all wrapped into one. Like, I was not expecting that. I think the biggest thing is that I know that this comes from the hearts of Tarver's parents, but I think it's deeper than that. I think it comes from the heart of God. And at that moment, them coming, me being selected, like I'm still like trying to process, how the selection happened. Then I can do is just point those thoughts and that mystery back to God chose me, I guess. I think the biggest impact is that I'm seen. And sometimes whenever I'm working and doing all of the things and making it from one 24 hours to the next 24 hours, sometimes others feel like they're not being seen. But also just knowing that I I have help. I struggle. I struggle times asking for help. But I feel like the Lord is saying, even though you struggle, Sherelle, I see you. I know your struggles, and I'm here to help. And I'm here to help by sending people your way. Like I stated before, I did not know anything about this foundation. Somehow God still brought us to a connection.